What will happen if you start doing planks every day? Planks are a body weight exercise that will never go out of fashion. They are so effective in so many ways in such short time with no major investments from your time schedule. Look at this list of benefits you get from doing planks every day. Number 7. Improved core definition and performance. Planks are an ideal exercise for the abdominal muscles exactly because they engage all major core muscle groups including the transverse abdominis, the rectus abdominis, the external oblique muscle, and the glutes. The importance of strengthening each muscle group cannot be underestimated either, for all of these groups serve their own purpose. If you strengthen these muscle groups you will notice transverse abdominis, increased ability to lift heavier weights. Rectus abdominis, improved sports performance, particularly with jumping. This muscle group is also responsible for giving you the renowned six-pack look. Oblique muscles, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting. Glutes, a supported back and a strong, shapely booty. Number 6. Decreases risk of back injury and spinal column injury. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allow you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to the American Council on Exercise, doing planks regularly not only significantly reduces back pain but it also strengthens your muscles and ensures a strong support for your entire back, especially in the areas around your upper back. Number 5. Gives a boost to increase your overall metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. The muscles you strengthen by doing this exercise on a day-to-day basis will ensure that you burn more energy even when sedentary. This is especially important if you are spending the majority of your day sitting in front of a computer. Also, making it a daily 10 to 1 minute home exercise before or after work will not only provide an enhanced metabolic rate but it will also ensure that that metabolic rate remains high all day long, yes, even while you are asleep. Number 4. Improves posture. Doing planks greatly improves your ability to stand with straight and stable posture. Through strengthening your core you will be able to maintain proper posture at all times because muscles in the abdomen have a profound effect on the overall condition of your neck, shoulders, chest and back. Number 3. Improves overall balance. Have you ever felt that when you tried standing on one leg, you couldn't stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds? It's not because you were drunk, unless you happened to be at the time. But rather, it's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to give you the balance you needed. Through improving your balance by doing side planks and planks with extensions you will boost your performance in every kind of sporting activity. Number 2. More flexibility. Flexibility is a key benefit of doing planks regularly, for this form of exercise expands and stretches all your posterior muscle groups such as shoulders, shoulder blades, and collarbone, while also stretching your hamstrings, arches of your feet, and toes. With a side plank added into the mix, you can also work on your oblique muscles. This will provide you with further benefits when it comes to hyperextending your toes, a movement that is crucial for supporting your body's weight. Number 1. Mentally beneficial. Plank exercises have a particular effect on our nerves, making them an excellent means of improving overall mood. How? Well, they stretch out muscle groups that contribute to stress and tension in the body. Just think about it, you are sitting in your chair, at home or at work, all day long, your thigh muscles get tight, your legs get heavy due to being bent for several hours, and tension develops in your shoulders due to being forced to slump forward all day. These are all circumstances that put stress on the muscles and nerves. The good news is that planks not only calm your brain, but they can also treat anxiety and symptoms of depression, but only if you make it part of your daily routine. Click link in description to discover how you can lose weight using a simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss.